Hey, have you ever felt like AI is just not connecting the dots for you? Like, you're trying to build something awesome, maybe a game, a map, or even a website, but the tools feel clunky, disconnected, and way too complicated? You're not alone. I'm diving into something that's shaking up the AI world right now, MCP, the Model Context Protocol. And trust me, this thing's a game changer. In this video, I'm breaking down what MCP does, the insane possibilities it unlocks, and I'm throwing in 3 genius use ideas you won't see coming. Stick with me, hit that like button if you're as pumped as I am, and let's get into it. So, what's MCP? Imagine you're grabbing coffee with a buddy, and they tell you about this universal plug for AI, like a USB-C cable for your tech. That's MCP in a nutshell. It's an open protocol launched by Anthropic in 2024 that lets AI models, like Claude, talk directly to tools, data, and systems without you needing to code a million custom integrations. It's like giving your AI a superpower to connect with anything. Unity for games, QGIS for maps, even Figma for design, using simple prompts. Everyone's buzzing about it because it's making AI way more useful, fast. Here's what it does in real terms. It creates a two-way street between AI and external tools. Your AI can call tools, grab data, and interact with services seamlessly. It's already in action with companies like Block and Apollo, and tools like Cursor and Claude are jumping on board. The possibilities? They're wild. MCP turns your AI into a Swiss Army knife, connecting it to anything from coding environments to scientific databases. You can build entire games with one prompt, map out vibe mapping projects, or even clone websites effortlessly. It's tearing down barriers, making AI feel like it's in sync with your brain. Let me break down 3 genius use ideas for MCP, stuff I'd pitch over that coffee chat. AI-powered game studio on demand. Picture this. You're a solo developer with zero Unity experience. With MCP, you tell Claude, create a Mario-style game with pixel art and jump mechanics. Boom! It hooks into Unity, designs the game, and spits out a playable demo in hours. No coding headaches, just pure creativity. Real-time market research wizard. You're launching a product, but you need data fast. Use MCP to connect Claude to web APIs like Perplexity or Firecrawl. Prompt it to analyze trends, pull competitor data, and even suggest pricing, all in real time. It's like having a research team in your pocket. Personalized learning tutor for anything. Say you're learning 3D modeling or GIS mapping. MCP links Claude to Blender or QGIS, letting you ask, show me how to model a dragon, or map out a hiking trail with elevation data. It walks you through step-by-step, pulling resources and tools on the fly. It's education, reimagined. These ideas barely scratch the surface. MCP's flexibility means you can dream up anything, seriously, anything, and it can make it happen. Now I want to hear from you. What's the craziest thing you'd build with MCP? Drop it in the comments, hit like if this blew your mind, and share this with someone who's stuck in AI frustration. Let's keep the conversation going. Look, I've been deep in AI for years, watching tools evolve, testing limits, and helping people like you 10x their productivity. MCP is not just a trend, it's the future of how we work with AI. I'm here to guide you through it, break it down, and keep you ahead of the curve. So, if you're ready to unlock AI's full potential, subscribe, hit that bell, and let's dive deeper together. I've got more insights coming. Trust me, you won't want to miss them. Let's build something epic.